Okay, get another one.
Put it down now.
Put it down, open, get your stuff.
Go open.
Open your basket. What's inside? What else?
Put it down.
Are
Are you scared? Ooh, what's that? That's for your pool.
Ooh, floaters.
She's trying to figure out how to use it. You gotta blow it first. Ooh, what's that?
It's mine.
Say cheese. Ooh.
Wow.
Susie did cross-eyed look right there.
Okay, babe, open.
Next, what else you got?
Wait, I don't really care right now. I got all my hitting sticks.
What else? Keep opening. Ooh.
Say a balloon.
Okay, you're so special.
Ooh.
What's that? Okay.
Check this out. Oreo.
Ooh.
So photo on
Candy.
picking her stuff in one by one. Oh man.
Okay, get one over there. No more.
Oh man. You know what? It's gonna be a long night if you're gonna pick up all your candy.
Help her, friend.
Babe, look. What's that? Ooh.
Mermaid. Bubble.
Look. It's a wrap on that one.
Baby, say cheese.
Smile, but is that it? Oh man. Put it back inside. Put it back inside. Put it back inside. Put it inside. Good girl.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, all done on that one. Put it back inside. Now put all your stuff back inside. Yay. Oh, go give Uncle and Auntie a hug. Excuse me. Come give.
Thank you to Uncle.
Go give a hug.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Uncle.
Go say thank you, Uncle Lua.
And holding the bat forever.
Give a hug. Okay, hug Brian. Hug Brian. Okay, hug Michael. Okay, hug me. 1, 2, 3.